In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up cron expression trigger in n8n. By the end, you'll have a workflow that runs automatically on your schedule using a cron expression, which is perfect for tasks like daily reports, hourly checks, or weekday-only automations. Start by opening your n8n workspace. From the home screen, click the plus icon and choose New Workflow to create a blank canvas. In the editor, click the plus icon on the canvas to add your first node. From the list of triggers, select On a Schedule. This is the node that will kick off your workflow at specific times. With the node added, look to the configuration panel on the right. Find the trigger interval dropdown and switch the mode to Custom Cron. As soon as you do, you'll see a new field labeled Cron Expression. This is where you define exactly when the workflow should run. n8n uses the standard 5-part cron format: minute, hour, day of month, month, day of week. Asterisks act as any value, and you can use commas for lists and dashes for ranges. A few quick examples to help you think it through. 0. Runs at the top of every hour. 30. 7. Runs every day at 7:30 in the morning. 0, 9. 1 to 5. Runs at 9 o'clock a.m. Monday through Friday. If you want something like the first day of each month at midnight, use 001. When choosing day of week, numbers typically map 0 through 6 for Sunday through Saturday. As a best practice, stick to numeric values to avoid ambiguity, and remember that the schedule will follow the time zone configured for your n8n instance, so align your expression accordingly. Type your desired cron string into the cron expression field. If you're unsure, start simple, then refine. It's better to be explicit than to rely on defaults, especially for month and day of week. Before you make it live, verify that everything downstream behaves as expected. Click Test Step to trigger just this node immediately, or click Execute Workflow to run the whole workflow from start to finish. This lets you confirm that connected nodes, data mappings, and credentials all work correctly without waiting for the next scheduled time. Once you're satisfied, toggle the active switch in the top right corner to on. That publishes the schedule, so n8n will run your workflow according to the cron expression you entered. And that's it. You created a new workflow, added the on a schedule trigger, switched it to custom cron, entered a precise cron expression, tested it, and activated it. Your automation will now run exactly when you want, hands-free.